collections featured in Kansas City's Union Station, this magical supersized holiday walkthrough experience started in 2020 and had over 70,000 visitors for the first year. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, sharing with you another one of our Kansas City favorites. Now, this experience this year has added 3D window scenes as well as lights which illuminate the Union Station Hall. Let's take a look. Ready to experience this wonder in Kansas City's downtown Union Station? It's $8 per ticket on the weekends and $5 during the week. Make sure you give yourself extra time for all the photo ops that are throughout the hall, as well as the trains in the back. Just a really cool feature that volunteers put a lot of time into. As always, make sure to subscribe for more of our favorite Kansas City experiences, and in the meantime, happy holidays.